Somewhere in your mind is a memory that never happened. You would swear it's real. You can see it, feel it. And it's a complete fabrication your brain wrote for you. By the end of this, you'll realize you can't fully trust a single thing you remember, including who you think you are. We imagine memory like a video library. You file an event away and later you press play and watch it back exactly as it happened. That is completely wrong. Memory is not a recording. It's a reconstruction. Every time you remember something, your brain rebuilds it from scattered fragments, filling the gaps with guesses, assumptions, and whatever you believe today. And here's the twist that changes everything. The very act of retrieving a memory can alter it. Neuroscientists call it reconsolidation. Each time you pull a memory up, it becomes briefly fragile, editable. And then your brain saves it again, slightly changed. So the memories you replay the most can actually become highly modified over time. Your most treasured moments are often among your most edited ones. Think your mind would reject a fake memory? A famous researcher, Elizabeth Loftus, proved otherwise. Her team convinced ordinary adults they had been lost in a shopping mall as a child. It had never happened. Yet, with a few gentle suggestions, people didn't just believe it. They built it. They added details. The color of the store. The kind stranger who found them. Scared they felt. They invented an entire emotional event that never occurred, and defended it as real. Around a quarter of people can be given memories of things that never happened. Read that again. Parts of your past can be influenced by someone else. This isn't just a lab curiosity. It has ruined lives. For decades, eyewitness testimony was the gold standard in court. A witness points and says, "That's the person, I'm certain." But when innocent people were later freed by DNA evidence, one cause appeared again and again, confident, sincere, completely wrong eyewitnesses. The more sure someone feels, the more we believe them. But confidence is not a reliable guarantee of accuracy. Your brain manufactures certainty as easily as it manufactures the memory itself. And it never tells you which parts it invented. So why would evolution build such an unreliable machine? Because memory was not designed solely to keep a literal record of the past. It was meant to be useful. Its primary job is not just to preserve the past. Its job is to help you survive the future. So your brain keeps the gist, the lesson, the feeling, and quietly discards the messy details, then rebuilds them on demand into a clean story. And you are the star of that story. Studies show we consistently remember ourselves as kinder, smarter, and more central to events than we really were. You are not always remembering your life exactly as it happened. You are being told a flattering version of it by the storyteller in your head. And when the facts run out completely, your brain does not go blank. It confabulates. It invents a seamless explanation and hands it to you as truth with total confidence. Patients with certain kinds of memory damage will explain in vivid detail why they're in the hospital. And every word is fiction their brain wrote seconds ago to cover the gap. Here's the unsettling part. Healthy brains do this too, all the time, in smaller ways. You've defended decisions you never really reasoned through and remembered conversations that went the way you wish they had. The gap filler never sleeps. So let's close the loop. If your memories are reconstructions, often altered when you recall them, edited to flatter you and filled in with confident inventions, then who are you? Because your identity, your sense of self, is largely a story stitched together from these very memories. You are not the sum of what happened to you. You are the sum of what your brain decided to keep, reshape, and retell. That is a haunting thought. But it's also strangely freeing. If your past is a story your brain is still writing, then the version of you tomorrow is not fixed. You get some say in how the story goes next. Choose the memories you feed. Choose what you replay. Because you're not just remembering your life. In a very real way, you're authoring it. If this changed how you see your own mind, subscribe. The next Mind Truth reveals the stranger living in the other half of your brain, making decisions you think are yours.